What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I'm back. I was just live on Facebook on DecoExchange a few minutes ago, and we made this wreath. And while I was live, someone said, that would be a really pretty design for Mardi Gras. And I was like, it would be a really pretty design for Mardi Gras. So y'all, I went and grabbed some Mardi Gras supplies, and we're gonna make another one real quick in the Mardi Gras theme. So 14-inch grapevine. We're gonna take a Fleur De Lis that is in Mardi Gras colors. Y'all, on the Fleur De Lis, if you ever get one of the Fleur De Lis, they're styrofoam, and sometimes one side has a ding and the other side looks good. So if we look at this one, right here, there's just a little ding in that. So I'm gonna make that on the back side. Let's add our spike. Gonna get a little bit of hot glue on there. Add more hot glue on top. Add another to the bottom. Y'all, we're gonna let that hot glue dry, and then we're gonna grab our ribbon and start making a bow. So y'all, we're gonna start with this really pretty 4-inch Mardi Gras. Y'all, Mardi Gras, if you're not familiar with Mardi Gras, everything is gold, purple, and green. So let's measure out about a 12-inch tail. We're gonna pinch it. All right, give it a twist. So you want the pretty side up on the tail. And then on the back side of the ribbon, whenever we pull it back over, the pretty side will be up. Y'all, this is a heavy duty 4-inch. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut our ribbon there. Y'all, I went with a solid purple on this one. We're gonna go about 6.5 inches on the tail, or the loop. Hey again, I know. Y'all, someone was like, Mardi Gras. I was like, oh yeah, let's make Mardi Gras. So, 12-inch tail. Get our loop. So our shorter tail now at the top. Yeah, Mardi Gras is a lot of glitter, Becky. For sure. All right, I got a solid green to throw in here. So y'all, our loops just get a little bit smaller every time. Last ribbon color. Then we're gonna come back and add all these in. Y'all, this one is a sheer polka dot. I normally am not a fan of sheer ribbons, but I really like this one. And this is the very last roll of it, y'all. So whoever's getting this kit, you're getting the very last remnants of my favorite sheer ribbon. Let's get all our strips added back in. Those look like Mardi Gras colors. Yeah, they're Mardi Gras. That's our goal. All right, so we're gonna add just our tail strips in here. Y'all, this ribbon is a lot thicker than the last one. All right, and then we're gonna end it with a nice little center loop. All right, so that's our longer pipe cleaner. We're gonna get this pulled out and twist it off. All right, we're gonna push down as tight as we can and twist. Y'all, the trick is to twist your bow and not your pipe cleaner. Let's get our Fleur De Lis attached first. All right, on the Fleur De Lis, I'm gonna attach it up here. This side is prettier, so I'm gonna cover this side. So I'm just tying that pipe cleaner right around the grapevine. Y'all, then we're just gonna add our bow right down here. And this is basically one of the most basic wreaths that I sell. Y'all, on this one, because we're only adding minimal stuff, we're using a smaller grapevine. We wanna give it the effect that it's much larger than it is. All right, y'all, now we just need to fluff our bow out and dovetail. Y'all, as you're doing it, you can move your loops and tails around so that they're not layered right on top of each other, so you can see all of them. Y'all, and you can do this same design for every season, holiday, all the things, right? So here is our Mardi Gras version. All right, y'all. That's it for round 2. Y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.